Don't move. The floodwater is murky. Blindly wading in is a death sentence. The rescue team's flood life detection drone uses thermal imaging to lock onto body heat, detecting survivors 3 kilometers away with an error margin of only 1 meter. The truth is, throwing ropes to rescue people in raging currents is mostly a matter of luck. The projectile launcher pneumatically fires life buoys with a range of 80 meters, hitting targets with pinpoint accuracy, slipping and struggling to stand on wet dam surfaces. Waterproof anti-slip boots with steel spike soles offer strong grip, allowing safe walking on 45-degree slopes without slipping. Their 40-centimeter shafts repel water and resist corrosion for 3 years of durable use. Want a search and rescue plan? Text 1 to get the material practical checklist. Remember to follow and get hardcore emergency equipment reviews in the comments section. Follow for life-saving gear.